anwumre so echia obibia adofo na munyina akwa abasronko ede mo ba platform we so enanwumre menemo ewon komo kakra bi di komo na no edene pa komo na no edene ntia wo se unyanto wase na menu nyina yenche dwumadie no eni nene we are coming to analyze the relation ewo Kennedy Agyapong any plus omontam any bonia Kennedy Agyapong edidi MPP amanyoko one a plus na yesi we are so ye kasi yesi wall ye ka a dying wall kura na wa aso udi bone na osi obi anya huwa odi kusuna ye na sabio wall kura se ne sika na esika no esika twika sam wall na bia wo hye na dan na wo hyem no walls na atwa ho ahia no saa for walls no ati asem ebeka na wabonten enye obi ene be kumantwio but boss ya ko na de na ho aba nsemane na Kennedy Agyapong ko di ye no enye obi ne ko record no de ba bonten enye obi ene ko ye intersections etie ni phone calls e de ba bonten na mom ne ye a plus ankasa na be gina bonten aka asem no afri nanom me no betra se ne ni aye analysis binom about the early relational Kennedy Agyapong any a plus wo any kwanya a plus ne Kennedy Agyapong timitrase ehihye ye so mo be say MPP amanyoko no e central region na odi nyanto bo ase na me mfa nkyerkyere mu no enyina emrew but ye mfa ne say we just we teaser about the Kennedy Agyapong ni campaign na oye ne nsem bi no ma oka ewia na me do wura relation na working in Japan is only a plus in term no boni omo tumi de MPP abanyoko no ewia ebedi ho nkomo ehwe video we mna sisia
enti yanko yahwe Akufo-Addo performance the first time second time enti ni ade ni call the third time enti so you be performance now to be lose over 2 million na ya sabe ka tira se mo fani panenko.
Yeah, this is a man who wants to lead MPP. You had this opportunity. Tell the people what you can do and stop attacking Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. Listen, that is his campaign message. What is yours? Tell the people the reason why they should vote you. Don't be going around saying the reason why they shouldn't vote someone. That is where personal attacks sets in. And you get it. This is the man who claim, oh, without unity, even if we bring Jesus Christ, we cannot win 2028. Look at the type of campaign you are doing. This is coming from the Kennedy Agyapong himself. So you can imagine his subordinates. But me, I'm just crying for the national officers. Kennedy Agyapong is going to lose miserably. In fact, what happened to Alan is awaiting Kennedy or Hina Agyapong, looking at the energy Brian and Dr. Brian and Dr. Duchumen who are bringing in. Kennedy is going to lose and he's going to blame national officers. In fact, because there's no Akufo-Addo for him to blame again. You get it? So he's going to lose this. I'm not a prophet, but he's going to lose miserably. The party is bigger than him. Yes, the party is bigger than Kennedy Agyapong. You get it?
Enti sewutie ensema yenwe weyi ekaya ose adentia wenya opportunity to meet with the delegates of Mombaka Abana Mau on 31st February 31st January 2026 na wonka dientia e wo se yento abamau na mom no dientie ni kwan se yento abano emfama wo opponent. Does not make sense. Na nyanto ba se na me nkyerɛkyerɛ mu because anema we na yete second Agyapong eka ene wa Bawumia we tribal Bawumia we lose 1.5 1.7 vote. Why no all those things were well orchestrated. Well orchestrated or share that plan and say obema Bawumia lose and this about Bawumia lose we are or the Baumia lose no be campaign ama ya to aba ama na mana akodi party nanim. Osheda na ye. Now listen to me very well. Asante region. Kenya Japan ni NDC for na ye adwuma Asante region. Now I don't want to go there today. We are going to talk about the issues. The issues are actually say Kennedy Japan and A+ relation no is sick and ill. Because untumi nkofa obi ti say A+ a oye independent candidate na wonton o party ni information and fama no nene papa no sori owo sika eya keka onim de ntia America sa. I will tell you how the enam suntia Kennedy Japan to me and then a party secret a comma A+. Just wait with me. Let's go deep into the analysis. My boy video base a 4 per and also yenche minim se breko yenche. Here be video no na yenyina yet video ni analyze it together. Na tie. Then you will understand say papa no me wosika no bo onehwe osanso ye betrayer or ye trader. Because otumi turn a party the man opi because of the personal interest. Into a delegate na wutie manya to base. Uni mobi a o ye delegate nso a ti asem we yie na wokọ watimi akoka akire no yie. Enya me nkwa na mekasa me de ono ni video any A+ video ene bedi nkomo no na wate ase yie. Nwa Kofi Frank me mo akọ abapa. Nicholas Kojo Agyapong me chia yie pa. Opoku Isaac me chia. Ena menwia Adai Joseph wonso me chia pa. Yen hyase na yenwura eniemanom. Abusiafo bra ye kwa October 2024. Ye ko promise na Kennedy Japan losu ye no. Ehwa na ode to ni team say de siko ye die. Ono no obeye de obetumi bia said de beya Dr. Baumia belusu. Na se Dr. Baumia lusu a 2026 obe contest no. Tiemi ye pa o sheda planane se obeye de obetumi bia against the party. Said de beya Dr. Belusu. Na se Dr. Lusu a waba no obe contest no. I'm telling you this because I'm in many of the Kennedy Japan group no. I'm telling you, ebi oha me the Ghana number ne wom, ebi me the Italian number ne wom, ebi nom so me the Germany number. Say amanfo me say me Italy. And nobody will ever think say me, but me the German number. Oh, Kennedy Japan the group bebre. Come in from Kennedy Japan Junior. And before answer na nkwasi afo bi no be fine na be ye group no. Na me wo hodada. So I'm in the group and I know what is going on. Ye koto aba no. Kennedy ne nkrofo amanfo mudi Kennedy Japan chipa no. Omo plan ene nsema Kennedy kan ye mani bedru groups no mu no say yenya danko da dwe na Dr. Lusu a 2026 obe contest no na wanwene because or the Lusu na Dr. Lusu ye no ebegu MPP aba MPP delegates omo abam na omo ato aba ma no ene nti a Kennedy Japan ni campaign na wo ye no ontumi nka de oba be ye de ama party no ene nti a Kennedy ntumi hwe MPP delegates anim kan kire omo se me banama ba be ye wei ama party na gira na nice because the campaign message opo ano about 1 year ago no and then say Dr. should lose Dr. Lusua or the lose na wa lose no at the discouragement at the MPP delegates say be your say doctor ye lose guy enti enkoto aba mani pa foforo oni betum de tuminaba. So it was technically and spiritually planned by Kennedy Japan to make sure say Dr. Belusu. Now, let's go deep into the reason why I am here today. Now, we NPP ni na ye can sem no na ye say one person obetie. Now, dream say or time and nipa bi time obi ada bi you are making a very big mistake. Making a Japan man time no oyem papa anka mepe oyem wo fa anka mepe oyem abusuani anka mepe but na niema bi oye no wo party nom no ensem fata no ensenom fata no now yen nyina ye wo ha ena A+ ba bonten ebe kan second Agyapong mani secret informations binom about the MPP they no mo ye no gomua central ba be A+ the MP no na even NDC for mo ye conscious kula na ba bonten aba be kan sem bi say so MPP nia you should worry about the relational e work in the Japan any sabio A+ amontam the video when I am to us the video
Instantly, I am beginning to get worried. And then before you should be extremely worried about the confessions in relation to Ora Kennedy Agyapong.
Okay.
Oh, look, A+ consistently says or no didn't hold parliament, which is true. One Jina on the ticket of MPP.
Yes.
And any other contestant in the last election, one Jina MPP ticket, so must be seen as an opponent by Kennedy Agyapong and whoever is associated with him. What you must say. But to the extent said there seems to be this unhealthy friendship. Not unhealthy, but this unwholesome relationship. To the extent say no better than say when MPP people were moving into his constituency, or no friend no to keep him, in the known say a man for Eba. So and this is the strategy Omodi by Ebi Omodi Sika, whatever it was. So Obia who is loyal to just one political party and no other interester. I think the people of MPP must begin to question the motives of, if indeed, and let me proceed cautiously. I am taking his word for it, saying Yoka and that is actually a reflection of the true happiness between the two of them. Let's just MPP before they should be very worried. Say Ngugwa he also played the part.
A+.
No, Mika Kennedy Agyapong. Because AB one friend and can China, AB whatever schemes they had in place. And I'm not saying say, using monetary inducement is right. Maybe it could be anything, but merely inviting him to the understanding say BBC Ebe Koso I think was acting reasonably against the interests of the MPP. And that's Wasaka. And the General Secretary has come to say, Oma Obia authorization.
Yeah. So
where is this relationship coming from? And what is the interest of Ora Kennedy Agyapong? I'm beginning to feel uneasy about the nature of their relationship. I mean, they can be good friends and all that. But politics is all about interest. He is not Minjin this say he's doing this out of the goodness of his heart. Say, me do MPP Bursunti, I'm going to. Maybe there is some interest there. Or no, it could be that, well, I want the party to say, Mina Mitimidi Asume Sibaye. What I say? It could also be another motive. But when you link that to the earlier confession and our earlier statements are A+, it raises a lot of critical questions. What you must say? And
especially when there are proposals on the table, which proposals have no authority from the party top.
And what you say? And the party itself has come to distance itself from the so-called proposals that were tabled. What was the nature, or what really was the content of the proposal, or what were the contents of the proposals? And who was, you see, any such proposal would have monetary implications. Who is going to bear who is going to shoulder that responsibility and that financial obligation? Because the party now 2 minutes ago go and negotiate on our behalf. Now making some proposals now. Sika never fin here. What is here? I think look, Nkugwa MP before Kodi the number be and I think that the discerning ones in MPP need a lot of time to be able to figure out some of these things.
Entity me yepa. We a party ni ba, right? We young people ni. Ope standing say ope say when you dey. We made as the presidential candidate for the party. Ye kwa akoto aba. Constituency na A+ wo. Na ye wo MPP parliamentary candidate ewo ho. Right? It said you me panyini kan. Say we obi a ɛyɛ no kore sɛ wo dɔ party na wo yɛ party ne ba anye bia is it right say utumi fa o party na wo so nka oba bedi animu no ne information ne reserve information now the comma opia oba on the ticket of his own. Why do you do that? Now listen, ye wie ya sa nipa no nya ye secret information sa otumi de wen seat no obi nso ma o se kofre A+ man meka MPP ho now wasori edi animu say you are connecting A+ to the MPP. Why na suma? I'm coming on. I'm making some analysis with you. Listen to me very carefully. Why na suma can the Japan say onko free A+ mra? Ni interest ben na e wa na into no person say the tibia A+ emra meka MPP for. Asem sebe. I always tell you say papa ye friend Canada Japan. Eye person me kuminya or ye selfish. What is a France state, France minor. Or see, we have no friend, we have only interest. That is what is Canada Japan. Me say party no party no. All what he need is his personal interest. And the Canada me baba swatcho. Canada Japan is all no constituency no on kopium. One ko. And nipa no ko jina ho ewo MPP anaimu ewo constituency ho no. No, onye Canada Japan boy. And Kennedy nim say, on to me fan and so en demande nearby free abaimu. So he did not help the person in his constituency. Oko jina ho e one PP dream. Ometo abakuretiano. What did Canada Japan wanted to do? Canada Japan wanted to bring in A+ through a different manner. Nanka A+ mame wura MPP party no physically say A+, but spiritually, Canada Japan demon ojina. Now yet the burdens of Canada Japan still in the party as MP in Parliament. Because if this is not the reason, the party has an office. You different levels of elders. Here were the National Executive Council. They are people who decide for the party. And they say, Yakoto Aba, upon all what you did. Now you were MPs kakra. Now independence will be Ewo and Chenya, who asked the party to go in for an independent candidate to come and join. It is from the National Executive Council for anybody take that decision. No. But Kennedy himself, no. A+ no. Ayen no. A+ ye is a rented name for the Kennedy Japan. Into no mum ne koso A+ and Sadana ba in a form of let's go in agreement. Dear now the mame, I say the man is greedy. Now let's move deeper. I want you to go deeper. Me pesi yen kasanko echidi kakra. Yo ha ena A+ ebe kan asem we e de chire Ghana fo nyina tie.
Ya MPP ni no ya minister utua u discuss to one minister beto honorable Ken Frame no say amu discuss say aba constituency on tina na bisa say e cedi na $1 say e cedi am say honorable forget obie nim say me ba na ya cedi am be ya azan say o mete taxi bi na me ni hwe na me da bi no bibie bi me campaign election the MPP for the VSS Kenya aba constituency bomba number 2 say me met me draw sika in 3D what is
so what Enti A+ nkwa ono ankasa na numa asem ni say heading towards the election MPP yewo president and parliamentary candidate ewo Gomua East o se Gomua Central ba bi A+ wo yi owo hwa na Canada Japan afre ne say A+ ade wei MPP for person mu nyusu mfa nwe ne wo seat na wo contest no enti so yese. The question is, why would Canada Japan call an opponent? Because remember, say, so far as I also MPP, you know, Obibiala Obejina to contest a constituency parliamentary member no say who MPP nia that person or NDC or your independent or your bia he's supposed to be your opponent. And to your opponent, you know, if actually you are doing the good will for the party, or yeah, for the betterment of the party, you will never go out to share the secret of your party to your opponent. It is said here, Sabion Kene, Ghana ni Comoros Boro boy. Nanka Joseph Pento, Afana Chihua, Akoshia Comoros coach, you know. Na wadi country coach no kwanya Comoros for coach no kwanya Otoado pese on Ghana for no emoboro or pitch no so. One say it doesn't one say a betrayal kese. One will say a yama kese. One will say a trese uye ni paboni udini. Sadia na Kennedy Japan ye no. Sadia we and a Kennedy Japan ye no. Say a prasa oni MPP a parliamentarian candidate so ewo constituency hono na Kennedy Japan timi asora for phone afre a prasa cancer say MPP for person omunye sei enti so ye delegate odwene se no kwese papa we do party na wo di akire na enkobeye de oyeye so ye delegate na wutiemi a enti dwene say ye no kwese papa we party no do ena amano ye de oyeye a enti nkodwene se nko betumi akoton party no ahwintasem plan strategy edamani opponent nkonkonkoyo adentia tie video we die ntia Kennedy Japan ekoton MPP ye secret edema a plus tie anyway
sponsor your campaign
Mamika has a mentor in it. And I'm going to be very honest. And Honorable Ken is my boss, he's my friend, he's my big brother. If he's watching me now, he knows that what I'm saying. He knows what I'm saying. Agyapong all the primaries, presidential primaries, I gave him more money.
Wow.
And if you like, ask him. I mobilized so much money for him for his primaries.
And the 10 year pa, 10 year. Kennedy didn't fool an arm. Kennedy Agyapong cannot be part of a group. Kennedy Agyapong cannot be part of a group where yedo ye honi eji ehudi. Because so betumi atongo na ode anya de ohwehwa obetongo. Because what asema yi prasika ne haya o say Kennedy Agyapong ko ne primaries no ono no kwame ye pras eye dan e mobilize sika edema no enti bisa ho say TNT a Kennedy Agyapong ekoyi MPP secret ede kire e pras ni nyina ne say said ye beya e pras be mani sika na ode akoye ni campaign ti no okoton MPP secret edema a plus in the exchange of sponsorship. Temiyepa, I want you to understand me very well. See, Tiasema Kennedy Japan, a plus Ikaya. So when Kennedy Japan was going for his presidential primaries, Olono Kwame A plus mobilized a lot of funds for him. Kwamben so na Kennedy Japan fa so edipia a prasika. Kennedy Japan ton MPP ye secret de ma a pras. The video no be. Listen to what a pras says here. Listen.
Did Kennedy Japan sponsor your campaign?
Mamika has a mentor in it. And I'm going to be very honest. And Honorable Ken is my boss, he's my friend, he's my big brother. If he's watching me now, he knows that what I'm saying. He knows what I'm saying. Agyapong all the primaries, presidential primaries, I gave him more money.
Wow.
And if you like, ask him. I mobilized so much money for him for his primaries. Tama abe.
Enti tieniye pa. Tieniye. Afei ekeka nsem no si ani a yebete ho ase. Papa na osi owo sika. Papa na ode ne hokobo oti bonsu. ye di Dr. Bawumiana na yeratem ye wosika and at the end of the day kwan benson na Kennedy Agyapong fa so the sponsor the campaign by selling secret informations, internal secret things to a press. And the agreement by na Kennedy Agyapong a press koye me ma usika mo aye wo campaign me contest ya wono mam informations concerning the MPP candidate ya obejina e with the same constituency a press ko jina e temiye pa enti Kennedy Agyapong na amamfo di na chi omuye dede no papa ni ye betrayer papa no ye betrayer papa no ye obi a ni tume hu pa papa no ye obi a ono no oni loyalty o. He is only about his personal interest. He is only about his personal interest. And this is Kennedy Agyapong had information command a prasa. And yes, be a dobin and order a press into the command. No. Nambum said the bear a press. And ma said the a press man is sika. Nansen a press be man sika no mosha se organize ye. Omotena se eye akono na menu suntia e prasen so eboa Kennedy Agyapong at the beginning and na ye call election na nkasa the day of voting no Kennedy Agyapong so no ekoton MPP for ye secret edema e pras na eka enyame na meka ai ankama Bernard enyame na meka. Bernard, this time there, one time Kennedy Agyapong in say there. Obakura na mekasa on timase. Hey Bernard, nipa hu say what's sa? Bernard. What's sa Bernard? Me Bernard. What's sa pa Dr. Nana me akwaba. Bernard, o den kamene wo. Ye me kwa utumi frɛ. Ye me show so na utumi be hwe pa by this time what's sa? Abusia asem na ye ka no. I wonder see me Bernard them person be reason with me. I don't understand why my friend Bernard don't want to agree with me. But in any case, Bernard do yan to was an church the mu yeneti asem ni ye. But the cambo video or haya a prase kase Kennedy Agyapong friend no man secret. Yesambo video bia amanfo munim amanyo se mu bisa se how can a party member give a secret of his party to an independent candidate? Only the party member, the party parliamentarian candidate, contested at the same constituency. Temiyepa. There is some interest in the exchange of favor. Normally, exchange of favor, no. Yenye to dishonor or disloyal. We do not do disloyalty to people. To do a favor for somebody, that is a traitor. And then you say, "We opiama." Kennedy Agyapong yi MPP maye. Party na osi ono na person komra media ni mu no ye kwa akoto aba no oyi party ne maaye said ye be ya a plus be man sika man dey any campaign said ye be ya a plus e be nya sika dey man no any campaign to no oyi party ne ye den e de na maaye yan to so ntie video no e Bernard se opa mebo video na a plus kese Kennedy Agyapong friend no e ka kire no say na MPP for Baba no constituency no video no e wo baby bebre for the enti asema akwawe kaka ho yenti
Jumfo owini GJ president no kwa sorry wo Pentecost wa alajo biso obi ohwe mo TV so osisika be campaign across the country plus na dem ame me ni agro sa o bro abedunfo GJP original sorry dem ka say sika me to the whole Ghana A+ na original na Pentecost chairman the whole Ghana not hobi.
Yes.
And ya me tse some kofo ke me say kan Japan ko the primaries no me mobilize sika man no me man sika bebre bi sa no za me boa
Tioma obiesi wa
na wonim se Ghana ha no ye ka asma ya ye ka bi ho mo ka asma mo ka firi mo anum ye ka asam na ye ka firi ye botom nti na ye ho den na ye kasa no asama na wo ka no na wonim ka me boa me de wi ni za sit no me mo den nti am tisa nkofo ka se no Aboken is my friend, he's my boss, he's my big brother, I like him. But yeah, me tisa nkofo ka se no Aboken no sponsor me. Hey, wonim ka me boy ya wo betumi sponsor say no we no sponsor we sponsor who was say can go. But as will be over 500,000 to spend, no be over 3.5 to waste. Two different things.
Into one support it.
Yeah, spend the least.
One support.
Honorable can over support. Me say me mom na me support you on the campaign no.
Okay.
Another question.
Any question. The boss na be my.
Ntiti ni yepa. Some of the economy exchange of favor by selling the secret of your own party to somebody to go and contest your party parliamentarian candidate at the same constituency. And I can Agyapong here. And the entire America said the actual say Bernard Temiye. Agyapong is someone who has no friend. He has interest. He has interest. Enti babi ani interest wono. So beton wo e de anya ni interest he don't care. Babi papa we ni interest wono. Se wo no beton wo e de aye den e de anya ni interest he don't care. In fact, so obi person mra medi party anima. Normally Oni why nanya? Oni contestant ananya? Anameboa. What are the messages that we go to sell to people to become a flag bearer of a party? We talk about what I can do for the party to stand at a good position for the next general election. Am I not? Yeah. Is that not correct? Naza. Minya Bernard ya wutie mi ankama mse okura no free me area. Adentia party opeso mra media ni mu Kennedy Agyapong. Unya platform a party from painful nyina udi omo atem say they are not good, they are corrupt, they are wine, they are almost Islam for. What is the sense in that? Say your personal interest be. Say your NDC for na ye bibi. Say your NDC for na twa sika bi di ama wo no mo kiro se bra na be se wan kasa wo party bubu party no. No mo ntumi win another 4 years mfanye omo niema. Why would you attack the party leadership? Abra wan kasa also person mamedi party nanim. Party no ba be di anymore. Are you coming with your national executives too? Any poor more party no no so munyi no moye moano omo ya kromfo omo ya wudifo no oba obesesa omo nyina na ode fufuro binum aba na. Bernard, think about this, eh? Saluja Isa memwako abapa. Dr. Nana memwako abapa. Mo amuye Agyapong emeye flag better no. You have to think about things very deep. More money is so easy for him. Don't think, say, Kennedy is like, say, the man is a man of interest, only his interest. Tabia meka same way. Say, Nkrofo Kennedy ye ne prime minister na omoye MPP MPsa. Omoanye de na Agyapong epedi ama no. Say omo anko support no. Tio uye MP mensu mi ye MP ye nyina ye wo one level oso person me ye president me se me person me ye president but men support your idea to become the president of the leader of the party Osi the entire one support to me through your metam for I will make sure you lose your constituency. Abusia, all of them. Omunyina, everyone lost his constituency position as MP, except Asensu Boachinkwa ne maintaining a position. Ukumukumwa, Papanini and NDC for Yajuma underground against those people. Aden, is it by force to support Kennedy Agyapong? Is it by force to say, I was a menu in a young baku team? Mimi akwajo abirifa mu akwaba. By force to say, the who feeling no, emeye me obligation na sa na etre we ase. What is going on? What kind of character is that? Na yana kwasisa picture bi. Oni kufuo ni je kufuo ne akufuo adonom ne empanfo ala nom eteho. Now, if that picture says that picture no, and then a man crying say you are the overall boss of the party, then why do you go and sell your party to others for your personal interest? That's all. You'll be nobody. People cannot trust you. You are not somebody. Nipa betu mende na koma ne na nipa betu mene waka hwintasemasie nya feshama be makwaba na so ye nipa bia said you usu no ban na tie no ba bia uwo wade wo no ai eno na eda wakoma so no ubetumi aton wo maame no papa kora de akwakoje saade no because there be no oka I say you can sell your mother for money. When you get money, go back and take your mother back. That is what Kennedy Agyapong said. And the mentality and the attitude. Says pa when J Kufonom ni alam nom na mo say you are one of the code word and can so more the antes or mo na mo de party ne be mo na mo ye adwuma bia. The party is yours. Why will you sell your party secret to somebody? Adentia, my dear, I will do everything possible so that my party will lose. That means you are not a party. You don't have loyalty with your party, but you're doing only what will favor your pocket. Because NDC party, friend NDC party. You could do for the former finance minister, finance minister or the governor of Bank of Ghana. You would do for all contest John Mahama no ayamana contest no. And you no nkwana no na mo na owo nipa dinachi. But yamana contest. But did you hear any of those people that came out vocally harsh, violent, atrocity to attack NDC? No, they did not. Do funny in Crawford, hambo moho, accepted the decision of the party, komwanutum, juma, bomu, Emma Mahama no your president. We are upon Ansumi Mwakwaba. Who can in the Japan? Yama wakwenya ma conteste ye. One to me awene and I will sue ye. But campaign ben our yedima party. Campaign ben and our yedima party. Ukojina platform so o time could be an way in America. Dr. Baumia, why ye campaign pa? Why ye campaign pa? What time could be an way? Why now time no? Why not time? I didn't hear what time Baumia. Competition I have gone away. Said your very next 31st January, Basian will be him. yɛkɔ competition ɛna wawe yɛnchichiri wo nsa waa na wobɛgyina hɔ kaa sɛ the elections was free and fair, everything okay. Waa na wokaa yo, waa na obi wa no mu kaa sɛ the elections were free and fair. But who can the Japan in nkurɔfoɔ monko na monko sɛ Kennedy Japan ne campaign message in 2023 na montie ne campaign message no sɛ if it is an attitude of a party member Temiyepa 2023 Kennedy Japan campaign ɔyɛɛyɛ nsɛm a na ɔka the reason why he wanted to be the president na numu nsɛm a na ɔka de kyerɛ Ghanafoɔ. Is that the character of a party member? Dr. Dufo, did you hear Dr. Dufo talking? Ono kura pona ya man contest ye kana share ye. And about me a fairly. Akufo-Addo a fairly. And why adentia because of your personal interest. Because of your personal interest. This man, apart from Sir Okoton and PP, the man, his opponent, you know, Kennedy Japan sat down and you can say in Chitare, he incited the party base against the party. And I'm there, a famon Kwasiafo. Yamamo Koto Abama ni nya tumia 4 years, yen him it drew 4 years, and I sanya ba. Omu wiasika to say the ochina bi ni ho. And I'm Kwasiake cancer na papa di any campaign. And some papa can ye back who couldn't want any answer womb. And some papa can ye back who couldn't want nature say papa ye and people. And some papa can ye a big crowd here now ye mushes eh. And to one now Saint Jacob for breast wedding party one mapman the one I can say. And at the grassroots, and a jag grassroots, and a wine. Ya komu a wonkwa watch about 1.something billion US dollars of contract, and you are still complaining. Enti papa no ye funumu ya die bia ababeto ampipim osa pa Kennedy Japan dane osa kese edam pipim delegate for papa no onye nipa bi obetuma agina di ena me opon so kan can't be trusted. I wish Jake is still alive to tell people how that snake is. It was Kufuor who made him so after he allowed him to part of the blue dam. Yeah. Temiyepa papa ninye nipa bi obetumi agina dine na ye bibi because when nya de ohwehwe a obetumi aton wo kura no wo secret. So when nya de ohwehwe a obedan nani ne wako dendem pa. Said the opera farmer now you become an enemy instantly. No about bedan ne tamfo. Because in Kobe a presidential a candidate yedi wo party mutie, you must to honor the party. I tis obi a ball Real Madrid abo. Open Real Madrid abo. Open so may the captain of Real Madrid. And you disrespect the elders in Real Madrid. Do you think Real Madrid players na ana elders na omo na omo na party team ne omo de no udidi omo atem o kan de nim utwa ntro utwa nkontompo digu omo so egu omo ani masede kire amansan ombegya mo obabe wuram na wahu de wo mu nyina na o de ababonten. I said that man is a snake under grass. Moheni yepa delegate for Monhwe papa ni yepa ni sune ne ban ensem fata so be di party be ye fani ampipia categorically said say it is a party for intellectuals, for what them call integrity, and people with responsibilities about social problems. Aye wo ye maimo. Papa no na mo na fu no de na mo. Papa no. Me Joseph Kwabena me mo kwa papa. Papa no na mo no ono na fu the stomach direction. Pa bia sika beba I got money man. I got money man. I got money man. Enne drenam ona me sika nko a. But we asena ye wo no. Enye sika na ye bibia. Teresa Tasha no ne kapere he changed UK. Minim se dine me boni year. He changed UK. Oni ne sisa UK ne Commonwealth social security and social welfare yeah juma. Ye de hiafo and a teacher of mine because a hiafo ne nima hiafo only be how. And yet people who will come and showcase wealth, luxury. Na ye den. Uwa amrano 3 meters. It can never be bigger than 3 meters. Uwa amrano 3 meters. Na dear me and say, Papa we campaign all your time speech no can. I Joseph Kwabena or say Dr. Baomia number 3. The Trinity Eja Opa and Hong Kong. The Trinity J. Kufo Nanado Dr. Baomia. The Trinity. That is what we are going to do. The 3rd president from MPP, Dr. Alhaji Muhammad Baomia. We are talking deep. I think some people are watching me on YouTube and some are watching me on Facebook. Mementai Kennedy, never tell me say I hate Kennedy. I don't hate him, but I don't like his style of politics, of politicking. I don't like it. Yem 4 time and tenakum emani ye. Untumi nyi kuoma na unsane tenakum. Oh yes sir, we a trader, we a traitor. We a disgrace to any type of group or any type of community I build it together. You are a disgrace. Yes, you are a disgrace. And he can keep on doing his business. He can do whatever he wants to do. But he must step aside and allow the governance of our party be handled by people with integrity, intelligence, and capability to be leaders, non-talkatives. Non-talkative. Non-talkative. Temiepa, not a talkative. Kasamayentie, ya oho guy sem, ya oho se wobi, ya oh bra. Wakoton party diama A+. You still have the audacity to come and tell delegates say here nkoto abama o medi animu. Jimmy, hey akwana ma ship hit na yaba. Isa me hit na yaba. We are na me hit na yaba. We are na ma hit ni free ni panduma babontain. Ah we are na hit no hit. We are na pia bontain jana beso ko. Ai pia bontain jana beso ko. Jano so sai be yibia gu ho. Amanfo omo ba hwehwe won. What on wo party the ama wo opponent? What do party attempt the achre Ghana man nyina? What go party elders, ministers, MPs, president, vice president, finance minister, deputy finance minister? What did your munyina attempt the achre Ghana man nyina? Wasin twa ho aba say delegacy nkoto abamao na baye dan na me medi party na nim. I will obey them. What are you coming to do? Party na lose election. Hey, now listen very well. Anybody who wants to survive on the mistake of others, that person is a shit bombo clat. Obi we are saying a woman. They done it team. Nadre, nim dear, Ninkoso, agent send a young kube fairy no. That person is motherfucker bombo clad person. Me I see that. Na me I see a so. Na me I see ni any person who are fitting say na in man ma fail before him become success. That man a bombo clad boy them. Wagwa. Why you see a man? And the Kennedy Nesta no. Nesta no. Others all this cabel of force. And now all bumpire so below. To me, ko when him no to me you so that is his character. Hey, and now me no kasa ye jina ha ye kasa. Odi fre Kennedy Agyapong. Me supporters ne bi. Odo fre na simple caution. Dientia yenkoto aba emfama Kennedy Agyapong. Obebie na no be say owuska. Ya man dem. We are tired man. Pacho tell me pa. Obeka tro say owusika. Owusika. Wa fan krofo adwuma. Anabaka tro say oya asantini, oye Kristoni. Nsem ye nsan we. Ne ono ankasa ne yere kurafa ofa microphone a onyanya nsasem bi nka mfa ni kunu ho. Ada so bege so wosika ana wa fa nkrofo adwuma. What is the sense in that? Abato no die number 3. And some I plus the be good about the papa we untimi money medium MPP name because and now on am way. Say John Mahama friend can't so be man contract 2 billion on say young PP party man obeyo. In case ma say John Mahama man contract but sa papa we say John Mahama to me friend kon office na or fan a contract sum of 1 billion pona obeyo. Na nyo no na Mr. Teifa Ghana card or see up a contract ya yesi mfama no enam no suntia ogu papa Mr. Teifa na nima se kofra abronye kuroposa abronye nkose papa na ho nkyira manfo no yaps community mo akwa papa enye papa we na enam a contract sum of 1.2 billion. I am farmer na nyo enam no sunti o sinka yenkoku Mr. Teifa. So man, it is clear said that man goes with his stomach. That man on to me mfana adwene nkenya nsasembi man into timo ata so betake amanfo ada se odisika anase obeye ne ho gaga de a kire wo enti Ghana nia oman Ghana nia independence 1957 ni ade ho meto emepem sabre Lawrence di tuo be gina yeso di yeso ese ye niema ama 2000 year 2000 ye gi ye ho na democracy ye adwuma afi no ko hwe obi oba be kan de opachire o obi obo be no ho guy Mr. Hate no nonsense. Hey, we are talking about 35 million population. Obetimi anko obi asa koyo ho yesama sachire no. We need Dr. Bawumia who will implement laws and policies ebeye automatized supervision in the society. Kennedy na niye mienu odane na nia na tiko hu hwe. But yet the system, laws, policies, initiatives, and a good society, and my society necessary because the system shall the babano. There was a system so supervisions. Someone soon to me automatically enough. So bet my supervise the people. The blockchain economy. Yedolad be ba ukutia enko bi bottom mabeko dalet when tia wan kasotum so the car. These are the things. And the Kennedy the momenya non to ho. Now the oye no he's working for his stomach because in some of the name of the campaign o ti bi kura na ya o yana na ya o to say the su o ti bia na o say Nanti papa we pa we am pipinya na so free he. We did a video. Listen to this video. Listen.
We are not cowards. I will not allow any individual to take MPP as his personal property. It will happen. Whether here or Ghana, no individual can take MPP as his personal property. People have died for MPP. People were killed. People lost their property. They lost everything they had. Where were they? Where were they? And today, they have the guts to call people and threaten them. Let them dare and threaten them. It will never happen. We want free and fair elections. Nobody can intimidate anyone. Even when they were in power, they could not intimidate me, and not today. It won't happen. For the sake of unity, I have swallowed my pride. I have swallowed my pride for the sake of unity. They shouldn't take me for granted. It won't happen. We all have a voice. We speak like men. So if you are here and you are chapter chairman, people,
And this I so your party ni bampa. Now we hear something for the party in the name of the party. When they have one kasa, they can, they went, even when they were in power. Were you not a chairman of the security or the police? Were you not the chairman? Were you not an MP in the name of the MPP for Asin Central? Were you not benefiting from contract in the party? How dare you to come out and say, even when they were in power? MPP for Muntio. MPP for Muntia Samna Yekano. Papa we nakumam enam boni a wodi ATMP pintino. He know definitely say or no nyam MPP ni. Just they were not able to even threat me. They were not able to they were not able to threat me even when they were in power. Abros power ya nunya ne kodi ye. Abra power ye yenya ye wa no mutom ye ma contract from 2017 to 2021. COVID and a ma contract kakra. 2023 ye sama contract biem. And what is wrong with Kennedy Agyapong? What is actually down quiet Mr. Cheap talk? Mundia Muhu Sikada Musu Bikitiska Krebia Na Mojimu Mohondia Mono Eric Mentisa Mr. Media Mentisa Mimi Yesikani, but nobody can buy me with his money. And even if you have money, me, I don't care. And to the me come as you are not forced to stay here and listen to me. You especially. But therefore, dear, I know say when they are here, it means a lot to me. But if what I'm saying is not good for you, don't listen. But so pencil the nyantoba na team ebia mewie no na what masema me can say. But just don't come and say nonsense under my own videos. Because me and me video. Me and me di mani me video. Me and me di me team we ne me se ene ma no ne me hwene. Any mani eye me video. Ai, jade wo ye na Eric. Esrawa. So better no wati nyansa sema atie. So be ko ba bia ye tiam so na wako support to ene so ko. And yes sir, I'm here. I know what I'm doing and I'm doing my job well. And asma me can say unka party ne ho dia na se party ne wo power na won feel say you were part of the party in power, then you are not a party member anymore. Go for your own party. Konako to abro party, konako join CPP, konako join NDC. Go to anywhere that you want to go. We don't care. Go because when this is somebody to Obama. I got to Angasa party. And this was on Beto Obama until uko independent candidate to Beto Obama. Ko independent candidate. Because Ghana Funyina said one on Beto Obama the amount. Ghana Funyina Ken one almost on Beto Obama the amount. And to go independent now man for Beto Obama. Now this time there. After 31st January, Kennedy Osuya, I wish to say, MPP will not entertain this man on our campaign. I wish to say, this is my wishes. Or some people for intimate show seriousness because said you timiko di introductory a personal. Any piety ntontom emoja abani tima abroba ni tima na moja abani tim. Said the papa with timiko ton MPP de ma a personal. Say a to about February way mo na olusua obelusu so. Osan twene betare Yura Dr. Bawumia Papa Way, he will sell out again the party. And I wish to say Dr. Bawumia and his people would join force together because now me no kasaya and some na ndisi for kafa Dr. Bawumia hono. And some doctor can almost a yen troyen contompo any possible no. And the doctor ye yana and this for discrediting no. And the Ghana form who say it is so rare. Eti no. And young people for one a Obama doctor. The floating voters na. Doctor can go purchasing program and no Monte Asiana and this for to gum. Na and ye who some fast. Draw delivery system NHIS card na yedia yesika cash and carry cash out and then these things will let people from other places come and vote for Dr. Bawumia. Galamsey fight ideas your doctor the buy and this for bogu ye ne Ghana form said the man knew what he meant. Enti nye Kennedy never man be a campaign achi. No kojina platform so be kasa no baby MPP point for them in front of all of the people. And I wish say MPP will stay bold and will avoid bringing this man on board. Now last time Matisa yesi asembi koso na Kennedy no I don't understand. And obi otuma any probably to say Kevin Tira ye campaign man there. Well, how would you understand him? The Matisse question say Kennedy ni asofofo no agada up. Na asofofo no the Kennedy Agyapong adwene di agro. Omo gisika na guo. omu di ne ho sika komu say on to me wene and a second Agyapong say Nyankopon pangu so wene a asode for demonstration ne campaign on by the against young people, you will never regret it. Because on one case, Ecotrend TV, so there be same way. Listen.
I come say
Nipa winning. They are the problem of this country. I have told you several times, Ghana, one woman didn't talk about Ghana. You see what is happening? What kind of nonsense going on in this country? And we'll be at you. I saw let me declare, say Nipa winning. They are the problem of this country. I have told you several times.
we are so now I say come say Kennedy Agyapong and the winning MPP primaries no. Na o winning MPP primaries na oba be ye president ya waso ye kohwini pa sofo a wo hye sa ankom no ye kohwini because mo na mo de ntokwa be ba Ghana ha se mo tra ho hye nkom se asomasi be winning election to we de enya me na meka mo na mo hye nkom ma no ano no nso se sofo bi obehye nkom bi a se obi be winning election bia no oye kuhwini enti we aye empropro wa de ehye ase eno no aha aye standard dwumadie movement television so ene de bre wo ko Facebook ene YouTuber eno so movement TV ubenye bi ahwe e wo ho
enti mi yo so tie ni ya se mo nyina kene Agyapong kan ye no asofo no mu dem free yo na enena ai offer day Maurice Sampao ka sembi enra o say asofo no mo dike na Agyapong ti o mo ye ne yodum bebre na no mo ne ndisi fo na nam o mo ne ndisi fo na nam na eye NDC mom na ka kira asofo fo na say o mo nka se kene Agyapong be wene o su be mpa say okujina sorry dem na obo mahama baso ototimi sanda na nikase kene Agyapong be wene adentia they are working for the NDC because MDC knows that Kennedy Agyapong is a cheap meat. What the number omunye campaign, they will just play audios about Kennedy Agyapong and finish. Into omodi omuha kwasha asofofo na chi. Even though asofofo no time Kennedy because omuni mse papa we se lo si man ho so yi. So keso omedi Ghana man so a one man churches obegu ni nyina. I'm not in support of the one man churches. Fatunche. We are talking about rare things that can happen. Enti amamfo nim se asofofo nim se papa we hey akwa we. Enti and this for say odi omonye prophesize prophecy hour. No monka se Kennedy ne be wene. Said the beya MPP delegates beto Obama Ken because Kennedy the ba a cheap meat and a manful din sika asofufo din sika na enkrofobunum su tibi no mo ka bi mano Mr. Kennedy nim na wan twene ho amfira asofufo we nkyenya ombe din sika sa because me I can tell you on authority say by February 1st 2026 this will be the end of Kennedy Agyapong. What this?
Babra the boka the children where come could just for information. Do
Okay. That's unfortunate.
What do we do? What the power where we are sent here? Again, not what
Oh no. Don't care about it.
But this party.
Don't care about it.
Almost one man na name media.
Don't care about it.
Mr. Woman and Council and
Yes, Abusianfo, we NBC 1st February 2026. Ebe enso nyuno ebe fa manfo ti senso nyuno. Ebe ti senso nyuno. Dr. Bawumia will win massively. 90-80%. Doctor will win massively. As a doctor, Kuran win 80-70% Kuran Puna. Kennedy Japan to me the union the last one. Because ene Brian wom or you vibrant. Kobene Japan wom or you vibrant. Yaw adu trim a wom. They are all there. And to Kennedy, Fatu Timu said, dear Wuyono, you are going so far. Dear Wuyono, a man for to was here. Dear Wuyono, why your manabro so? You cannot, and I'm repeating that again, you cannot candidate to lead a party that you hate in your heart. Unless you want to do your abro party that you said. Because kaye. Ono kaye o. Osi ono no. Now the more me ye ka papa wo yasma mo se mayen kan na mo ho ye mesere pa. I am people bi no mo so mo yam people for ye ka papa wo yasma mo so mo mayen kan ana mo ho ye mesere. Listen to what this man said. Listen.
If all the executives, the current executives, if they don't lose, I'll form a political party. All the current executives, including Yabuabia Samoa, if they don't vote them out, I'll form a political party.
To what end?
To what end? Abro. And the name of the political party will be Abro.
Anti papa we no. Onye nipa bi oye new in doing abro. Ono no experience in doing abro. Enti party no woman and no di party na pro and people for Montiasie. And people for Montiasie. Abusianfo me demo besi ha. Mama men kan comment na kakra na yenti chama wo to me ne video na yemfa bibia ama na wie but mama men kan comment kakra na men chia manfo elek ampa don call me chia ye pa mas wood pima me chia na bi aba Dana Rivers me chia ye pa Batura Surugu me chia Eboji me chia na o Boaten me chia Dolphin Bay wonso me chia Yaps community me chia ye pa say hi Ras, you are the best, thank you. Down Dakwa Eric, Dakwa me chia ye pa Joseph kwa bena o DMB 3 Masuel Shelly Berlim or Bawumia is the best surest bet going into 2028 election. Mimia Fisherman say keep it up, good work Ras. Mimia upon Ansu say can be trust. I wish Jake is still alive to tell people how that snake is. It was Kufo who made him. So after he allowed him to part of the to partner on the brew dam. Okay. Miriam Kwajo Abirefasi, good job, bro. Keep it up. Miriam Kaman so they'll see that the American be on team on the Dr. Nana or see he is a traitor. Miriam Kofi Frank said, good morning, Ras. Yeah, Anopa. Anajo, Anopa, no, because about one. Miss B. Hey, mama can't say when friend chum. And then me home picture be bet. Hey, I'm people for my home for pa. David. I'm people for my home for dodo. No. Just say, San Nipa, you can determine the voice of somebody in many cases to think how the person can be. In fact, I'm people for my home for Miss B. Mo picture na solid. Na me chia ye pa e na onam fofo so mo da so e wo nchenya. Me chia mo ye pa da mo se. Me wi David Agyapong me chia won so ye pa. Ma me am se wa mantem ma wie me de bibia ba na wie ye. Joseph Kwabena better continue so me ntimi mfa call, but I will just end the video. But me end no kura. Momenti asema ewia panyini chama wontumi e wo ka kire yen. Reggie the Queen School TV or say Ken can never be trusted. I think people should give on Brian Agyapong the chance to vote for him. He will do better than Ken. Me no ya adwene pa. Where dear men no yard. You are not supporting my candidate, but men no yard. And there was some form of church and munina the muninas. I must be shall now for nina mamma or shall you munina mamma. Shall me palm church munina mamma pass and mature munina. Na me the mubisia no chna. Yanko pompa chna a Monday upon 8, but in Buffy I'm about life. And I do life no cry cool. I don't think it's bad. And the Meduna Bessia, near Sensia, or to meet again, adio.
What say the Omuba or my and in the summer, Baomiano, the old person will come in our Maccabi. At a video of the I have a Guasio of Bulgaria, the San Guasiana, only be here for a while. Yes, I don't want to be here for yes, and Baomiano, the governor, Baomiano. That's in the master. Obia Mohabiano, 1998. Say a repeat one more, almost 1996. A piano more 2003, 2023. Yes, I repeat to some of 2026. I said, and yes, I repeat to you. And to the master. Sir, I am about 80 and near repeating. Sir, you are 40 near repeating one because the people do not back. Now, Papa, no more. Nasa, I did you back on better. First, in half form mobile gas. I as a canal Becca, I'm a warrior. And Bramuno, and the Diabono. Not as they say of the set issue, any new Nadia. Another unit, as you say, of the set job of Nini Nadia. As also a buyer, but they are not saying a while of top. The attendant said, I thought a map of Tizuni, the man will be our company. And to say the map about Mia, now this year, said the video about Mia. Now,
tactical play.
Now the person said, I have power into and the assistance. I have power into and I'm a waka. Santina, Sunday the police station for the car, not to be here, but we are soon and they are waka. Mobile to a baby. They are some former executives. Cafes and made by former executives coming here. Because Kaufi not good. But another Omiati, former executives, you know, we are Kokomoti, we are Kokomara. Say, I call Bambonas and Osaka, and your reality. And your reality. If you say, Abano, over to the Abano, it's a maybe because I'm the transport. Namasra and Yamamu and Yasaway. Then men said, I did see yellow. Let the presidential and my see. They see yellow. And a Kasa and a man see. The man see yellow. It's like a parliamentary primary sniper point. I'm not sure. And in your room for kind of say, oh, you is coming. But you is coming. Almost something. And the people can say, so we move the beer on coil. What's that? I am afraid. I am one, and I do baby, no Papa can pay back, no shoe. I was our canyon, what do you have? I don't know we are. And one more prayer, what I said. But we are, and I'm the highway. No one situation. One situation, one go to Swati and I'm sorry. I am I said, now parliament, or more prayer, and peace will be. I am. I just speak about. I be say what to speak about. For the first time from 1992, I became them. Then they are ready. That's what we got to happen. You lose it. I this for. I also say about here. Never here. I didn't think anything be bad. The embassy take the responsibility and take the responsibility and learn to solve the problem and enhance your fortune to win the elections in the future. Can you do that? The best thing here every na yet to an more a better boy. Nasa ye kura nasa boy me ti bia mo ele elections that you na baby am the best